Hello, students. Welcome to the practical class of Warehousing and Distribution Management. Next, let's learn more about shelves. Shelves are also commonly used equipment in warehouses. Shelves are three-dimensional storage facilities for goods, composed of supports, partitions, or brackets. Shelves have a very important position in the field of logistics. With the rapid development of the logistics industry, in order to meet the needs of a substantial increase in logistics, in order to achieve modern warehouse management, and improve the function of the warehouse, it is not only required to have a sufficient number of shelves, but also that the shelves have multiple functions, and meet the needs of mechanization and automation. In the modern circulation field, shelves play a very important role, which can make full use of the three-dimensional space of the warehouse, improve the utilization rate of storage capacity and the storage capacity of the warehouse, and also ensure the storage quality of the goods. Goods stored in shelves will not cause backlog. It can completely guarantee the performance of the goods themselves, and reduce the loss of goods. Goods are easy to store and retrieve on shelves, which is convenient for counting and measurement. It also facilitates the organization of inbound and outbound operations according to the first-in, first-out principle. It also facilitates the realization of mechanized and automated warehouse management. From the perspective of the development of shelves, there are traditional shelves and new shelves. From the perspective of the practicality of shelves, there are general-purpose and special-purpose shelves. From the perspective of the manufacturing materials of shelves, steel shelves are mainly used. From the perspective of the degree of enclosure of shelves, there are mainly open shelves, semi-open shelves, and closed shelves. Shelves can also be classified from other aspects, divided into many types. Commonly used shelf structure forms include unit pallet racks, drive-in racks, rotating racks, and mobile racks. Among them, unit pallet racks are the most widely used in automated warehouses. Its structural feature is that the shelves are divided into several rows along the width of the warehouse, with every 2 rows of shelves as a group. Aisles are left between each group of shelves for stacker cranes to perform storage and retrieval operations. They are divided into many columns along the length direction of the warehouse, and divided into several layers along the height direction. Therefore, the entire shelf forms a large number of storage locations for storing goods. The opening of the storage location faces the aisle. Drive-in racks are designed to increase the area utilization rate of the warehouse, depending on the way the cargo unit moves in the chain. Through-type shelves can be further divided into 2 kinds of gravity shelves and shuttle-type trolley shelves. Gravity flow racks have a certain slope in their automated warehouse lanes. Goods loaded into the lane move via gravity, automatically from the loading to unloading end. Gravity racks are efficient, maximizing storage per unit area, fixed issue/receipt location. This reduces the distance traveled by loading/unloading equipment. Professional and efficient, with high safety. They also ensure first-in, first-out FIFO stock rotation. Primarily used for storing large quantities of few product types, and order picking. The shuttle-type trolley shelf is another structural form developed on the basis of gravity shelf. For rotary shelves, automatic warehouse can be divided into horizontal rotary shelves and vertical rotary shelves, 2 kinds. Horizontal rotating racks are driven by a powered conveyor system. They rotate horizontally along a circular path. Vertical rotating racks rotate vertically to move goods in and out. Mobile racks, also known as powered or flow racks. The racks themselves are placed on mobile rails. Drive and transmission devices are located at the base. allowing the racks to move along the rails. When retrieving goods, the corresponding rack is moved, creating an aisle for loading and unloading operations. This allows for easy storage and retrieval. Mobile racks reduce the number of aisles, increasing floor utilization to over 80%. Easy access. Supports first in, first out, FIFO, but have higher construction costs, and maintenance can be difficult. They are mainly used for storing numerous goods in limited warehouse space. Cantilever racks, compared to pallet racks, typically involve manual loading and unloading. Therefore, the height and depth of goods are smaller, and the load capacity per rack level is lighter. Cantilever racks are mainly used for storing long and irregular materials, suitable for manual loading/unloading, but not suitable for mechanized operations. In addition, some other equipment can be configured in the warehouse as needed. Conveying machinery continuously or intermittently transports bulk materials and items along a specified route. It's an important part of modern material handling systems. It consists of two conveyors and their accessories, as well as a sorting and conveying system, which is a material handling system that sorts random items of different categories and destinations according to their requirements. Stacker cranes operate in the aisles of high-level shelves. They are cranes used for operations. According to their purpose, there are three types: unit load, order picking, and combined unit load/order picking. According to their mechanical structure, there are single column, double column, single fork, double fork, and single extension position, double extension position. According to the transfer roadway method, it is divided into three types: fixed type, transfer type, and transfer vehicle type. Special purpose machinery is a combination of lifting and conveying machinery or industrial vehicles with special pickup devices, and is generally used for special operations. So, we understand that there are various facilities and equipment used in warehouses, and the management of warehouse machinery and equipment is also very important. The purpose of managing warehouse machinery and equipment is to provide the best technical equipment for warehousing operations, so that the company's warehousing operations are based on the best material and technical foundation, to obtain the best economic benefits from the machinery and equipment. Technical management of equipment mainly includes equipment planning, selection, self-manufacture, installation, and debugging. Rational use of equipment, maintenance plans, inspection, condition monitoring, and technical diagnosis. Safety, technical management, and accident handling. Equipment spare parts, technical documentation, technical upgrades, and technical file management. Economic management of equipment mainly includes equipment investment, benefit analysis, fundraising, and utilization. Equipment handover and acceptance, classification and numbering, registration cards, and ledger management. Inventory storage, allocation and transfer, year-end inventory and other asset management. Depreciation, extraction, and accounting of management expenses. Equipment renewal. Then, the organizational management of equipment mainly includes personnel education and training, and the formulation of equipment management systems and norms, as well as supervision, inspection, and evaluation of equipment management and use. Okay, this course is now over. Thank you all.